Do you want to talk more natural in English? Today, I'll teach you 15 real sentences that native speakers use every single day. Welcome back to English Degree. I'm Olivia, and this is episode 10. Don't just listen, repeat every sentence with me. Also, in today's video, there is a giveaway, an English learning book. I'll tell you exactly how to participate at the end of the video, so make sure you stay until the end. Let's start. Sentence 1. How are you doing today? Many learners say, "How are you?" But this sounds automatic. Native speakers say, "How are you doing today?" Warmer, more genuine. Listen carefully. How are you doing today? Repeat with me. How are you doing today? Sentence 2. What are you doing right now? Many learners say, "What do you do now?" This has a grammar mistake. The correct sentence is, "What are you doing right now?" Listen carefully. What are you doing right now? Repeat with me. What are you doing right now? Sentence 3. I'm running a little late. Many learners say, "I will be late." Too direct sounds cold. The natural way is, "I'm running a little late." Polite and apologetic. Listen carefully. I'm running a little late. Repeat with me. I'm running a little late. Sentence 4. Can you help me with this? Many learners say, "Help me with this." Sounds like a command. The polite way is, "Can you help me with this?" Listen carefully. Can you help me with this? Repeat with me. Can you help me with this? Sentence 5. I don't understand what you mean. Many learners say, "I don't understand." Too basic. A more natural response is, "I don't understand what you mean." Listen carefully. I don't understand what you mean. Repeat with me. I don't understand what you mean. Sentence 6. Please give me a few minutes. Many learners say, "Wait." Sounds rude. The polite way is, "Please give me a few minutes." Listen carefully. Please give me a few minutes. Repeat with me. Please give me a few minutes. Sentence 7. I'll call you back later. Many learners say, "I call you later." Grammatically wrong. Native speakers say, "I'll call you back later." The word back means you're returning their call. Listen carefully. I'll call you back later. Repeat with me. I'll call you back later. Great job. You've already learned 7 sentences. The best ones are still ahead. Let's keep going. Sentence 8. What time are you coming home? Many learners say, "When you come home." Wrong grammar. The correct sentence is, "What time are you coming home?" Listen carefully. What time are you coming home? Repeat with me. What time are you coming home? Sentence 9. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Many learners say, "I am very tired." Sounds dramatic. The natural way is, "I'm feeling a bit tired today." Casual and honest. Listen carefully. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Repeat with me. I'm feeling a bit tired today. Sentence 10. That's a really good idea. Many learners say, "Good idea." Too short sounds cold. The warmer way is, "That's a really good idea." Listen carefully. That's a really good idea. Repeat with me. That's a really good idea. Sentence 11. Let me think about it. Many learners say, "I don't know," or "maybe." sounds unconfident. The natural way is, let me think about it. Polite and confident. Listen carefully. Let me think about it. Repeat with me. Let me think about it. Give me the answer. Someone calls you and you're in a meeting. Which sentence do you use? Option A, please give me a few minutes. Option B, I'll call you back later. The correct answer is option B, I'll call you back later. Let's continue. Sentence 12. Could you say that again, please? Many learners say, what? Sounds rude. The polite way is, could you say that again, please? Listen carefully. Could you say that again, please? Repeat with me. Could you say that again, please? Before we continue, sentence number 13 is my favorite from today's lesson. It has a grammar rule that most learners have to learn. Here it is. Sentence 13. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Many learners say, I'm looking forward to see you. This is wrong. After looking forward to, always use the ing form, not to see, but to seeing. Always. Listen carefully. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Repeat with me. I'm looking forward to seeing you. One more time. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Sentence 14. Don't worry, everything is fine. Use this when someone is stressed or anxious and you want to reassure them. Don't worry, everything is fine. Calm, warm, and natural. Listen carefully. Don't worry, everything is fine. Repeat with me. Don't worry, everything is fine. Sentence 15. Have a great day ahead. Many learners just say, bye. Too cold. The warm and natural way to end a conversation is, have a great day ahead. Listen carefully. Have a great day ahead. Repeat with me. Have a great day ahead. Now it's time for today's giveaway. In this video, there is an English learning book, and you can win it. All you have to do is answer today's quiz question correctly in the comments. Which sentence uses ing after to? Option A, I'll call you back later. Option B, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Write your correct answer in the comments right now. Everyone who answers correctly will be eligible, and one lucky winner will receive the book as a gift. Good luck. You just learned 15 natural English sentences and the mistakes to avoid. Write your favorite sentence in the comments right now. In episode 11, we'll learn 20 more powerful expressions that will make your English sound even more confident and natural. So don't miss it. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Degree. I'm Olivia. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep improving. And I'll see you in episode 11.